The Clean Biz Network Conference 2022 in Jacksonville, Florida welcomes you to join us for an impactful weekend of networking, celebration, and inspiration. This is your opportunity to meet, greet, and learn from 6- and 7-figure cleaning business owners who started out just like you. But that's not all. This event is hosted by Mr. How to Start a Cleaning Business, founder and CEO of Clean Biz Network himself, AJ Simmons. This is your opportunity to meet AJ in person and learn from him as well as other cleaning industry experts. And we can't forget our special award ceremony to highlight certain members of the Clean Biz Network who have went far and beyond expectations. Make sure you save the date, Friday, April 15th and Saturday, April 16th, 2022 in Jacksonville, Florida. For more details and to purchase your tickets today, visit